How's it going, skiers and riders? This is John with your Sunday, December 30th, Wachusett Mountain Snow Report. The cold weather moved back in, giving us a chance to blow snow onto the mountain and giving the groomers a chance to freshen up the trails for you. We have a total of 22 trails and 7 lifts running today, so be sure to get up here and get your runs in on some fresh corduroy. With temps in the low 30s, a light wind, and partly cloudy skies, it is looking like a great day to get out on the slopes. There are only 2 days left in the year, and what better way to rig in the new year than on the mountain? Join us this Monday for our New Year's Eve celebration. We'll have extended skiing and riding till midnight, snow tubing, and plenty of events going on in the lodge, including a champagne toast, music, and a buffet dinner. Why ring in the new year in Times Square when you could spend it skiing and riding at Wachusett? Check out Wachusett.com for more details. That's all I've got for today. Be sure to check out social media for any updates to the mountain you might need to know about. Have a good Sunday, and I'll see you next year.